Hey there, it's Oliver. Welcome back to my studio, or at least it will be my studio once I'm done with it. I'm still working on removing drywall. I want to remove this part, and that way I can replace the insulation here and mess with the switches a little easier. I think I'm going to leave this wall as it is, and also replace this wall. I got my line scrubbed, so now I'm gonna go across it again with the multi-tool and start the process of tearing this drywall off. I got the top line cut, so now I'm gonna go ahead and break up as much as I can between the studs with this sledgehammer. Now that I got it started with that sledge, I think I can break off the other pieces just with my hands. There's a lot less nails in this piece of drywall than there was in the other wall, so it's coming off way easier. Kind of nice. Look at that came off so easy. Gonna have to use my pry board to get this baseboard off. It comes off easy enough though, so that's nice. Ooh. Guess I gotta put it behind studs. I got most of the drywall off, so now I just need to remove the tacks that were holding it in. That other wall had 2 tacks for each one, which made it really difficult. This should be pretty quick with the pry bar though. This is the last wall I want to demo before I start just, adding electrical boxes and wiring. So that's all I got to do left, and then make sure I get all the drywall off the ground. Well, I got everything off the wall, so now my next step will be to try to sweep up a lot of this drywall and clear the floor so I quit tracking it in my house so much. Now that I got the drywall debris cleared, I'm going to start adding electrical boxes onto the studs. The first part of this step was to go around with a tape measure and measure out the same height from the ground, which was around 4 feet, so that I'd have easy access to have electricity anywhere in my shop. I probably overdid it with the electrical boxes, but it's always better to have more than less whenever you're trying to plug in tools. This part of the wall I also added a double box because it was a bit of a smaller space, and it's right there by those stairs where I won't have any access to power. I really enjoy using that pneumatic hammer. It's come in so much handy throughout the years. My brother gave it to me when I first did stud building in Connecticut, and it's so great for getting in between two close together studs, which is normally pretty difficult with a hammer. If you made it this far into the video, leave a comment and let me know what projects you're working on in your own space and own house. Love to hear about what other people are up to. And just like that, the electrical boxes are nailed to the studs and finished, and this stage of the project is complete. In the next video, I'll be stabilizing the ceiling with screws and cutting holes to add the lights. Thanks so much for joining me on my studio build.